Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'm installing an oil catch can on my 2024 Tundra, Toyota Tundra SR5. So this is the oil catch can I already set up. I'll show you the other part of the video while I put it together. So this right here, I put this is a 10 bolt to hold this PC in the bracket to the oil catch can. And after route the hose, you can see I put it around, beginning this hose right here for the AC, go around. And it's so difficult to get to the one to the back. So there are two holes. Let's see if I can get to show you guys. Alright, so hold on. Alright, so that's the hose right there. Oh, it's so hard to see, guys. Hold on. Let me remove the camera from this tripod. Alright guys, so I have to remove the camera from the tripod because I was having trouble show you guys. So as you can see right here from the oil catch can, those are the hoses. Go all the way back to the motor right there. Come back around here. Step up on the wheel and show what is going on, guys. Alright. So right behind the motor here, I got the valve cover. So there's let me see, move this wire out the way. Alright, so right there, that's the clamp I'm going to show you in the video. That goes on the, what they call it, the valve cover right there. See right there, guys. Oh, so much bugs, man. Shit. Alright, so it's so difficult. It's so tight, but right behind the motor here, guys, that's the valve cover. That's the hose that go to the valve cover from the oil catch can. And the other one go right here, and this we have to get the clamp to hold it in place. So you can see right here, guys. That's it. So I use the same clamp that come from the hose from the car. Go to the oil catch can hose, go to the back, as you can see right there. Go right there, guys. It's a bit difficult to show you what is going on around here, guys, but I'm trying my best. Let's see if I get the camera light a bit lower. Alright, flashlight. Alright, so that's the clamp, that's the hose that come from the bottom of the truck. So I put the oil catch can hose onto that one from the valve cover. So you can see right there, that's the hose to the valve cover right there, guys. That hose is so tight to push on, so I try my best to get it far as possible and use a flat pine screwdriver to screw that hose clamp to the back of it, guys, right there. You can see top of the motor. It's on the passenger side. So this wire right here, guys. So it's right there and here. That's it. This wire keeps going the way right there, guys. So that's the outlet from the valve cover. See it right there. That's the hose. That's the other one. So connect the oil catch can hose on those two, guys, right there. So I hope this video help you all out if you're trying to get one on your truck. So this oil catch can is like $150, guys. I get it from the AutoZone. I've ordered it from AutoZone. And to get that hose, I don't know if you all have any other pliers can use, but this pliers right here is the one that helped me, guys. This one, see it right here? That's the one that helped me to get the clamp on. I tried these two, wouldn't catch it. I tried this one, it wouldn't catch it. This is the only one that worked, guys. This one right here. See this channel lock right here, guys? That's the one that worked. So I have to remove the cover. The cover is super easy to remove. You have to just lift up the, what you call it. Alright, so this is the cover right here. So this part here sit right over those two. It's that rubber part on that long wire metal piece that go across with the rubber ends right there. The resting right here, and this part go to the front. So it goes over tab right here to hold it in place. So it's super easy to lift off, guys, to install it. So make sure this part, so that part there to the back, make sure it sit on there properly, just like that. Come back down and it sit just like that, guys. So easy to pull up just like that. Just lift it off and fit it back. So easy, guys. Just make sure the back line up properly. Alright. Open it back. Okay, sketch. And that's it, guys. And here we go. I'll catch and install. So best to have one of these on your truck, guys, to prevent the sludge built up in your motor. So that oil catch can will last your motor last for a very long time, guys. Always do your regular oil change. That's it. And keep your motor safe, guys. So